Hello everyone and welcome back to Newton Academy. Today we are diving into Chapter 3 of Goods and Service Tax, commonly known as GST. In this session, we will be practice testing ourselves with some of the most important multiple choice questions or MCQs. These questions are carefully selected to clear your concepts and help you score full marks in your upcoming exams. Make sure you have your notebook ready. Let's get started. Which of the following tax is not subsumed in GST? VAT, service tax, income tax, entertainment tax. The right answer is income tax. What kind of tax is GST? Direct tax, indirect tax, special tax, common tax. The right answer is indirect tax. Before GST, which of the following indirect tax was levied by the state government? Excise duty, custom duty, service tax, entertainment tax. The right answer is entertainment tax. Before GST, which of the following indirect tax was not included in state government? VAT, purchase tax, service tax, entertainment tax. The right answer is service tax. Before GST, which of the following indirect tax was levied by the central government? VAT, purchase tax, service tax, entertainment tax. The right answer is service tax. Before GST, which of the following indirect tax was not included in central government? Excise duty, custom duty, VAT, service tax. The right answer is VAT. In India, GST became effective from dash 1st April 2017, 1st January 2017, 1st March 2017, 1st July 2017. The right answer is 1st July 2017. Which of the following tax will be abolished by the GST? Service tax, income tax, wealth tax, corporation tax. The right answer is service tax. In India, how many acts are formed for the implementation of GST? 2, 3, 4, 5. The right answer is 5. How many types of GST in India? 2, 3, 4, 5. The right answer is 3. Indian GST model has dash rate structure: 3, 4, 5, 6. The right answer is 4. Which of the following is true for the interstate supply? CGST plus IGST, SGST plus IGST, CGST plus SGST, IGST. The right answer is IGST. Which of the following is true for the Union Territory supply? CGST plus UTGST, SGST plus UTGST, UTGST plus IGST, CGST plus SGST. The right answer is CGST plus UTGST. What does I stands for in IGST?
International, internal,
Integrated.
intra,
The right answer is integrated. What does C stands for in CGST?
common, central, centrally,
Centralized. The right answer is central. What does G stands for in GST?
general, global, goods,
Great. The right answer is goods. What does S stands for in SGST?
simple,
State.
special, silent,
The right answer is state. What does UT stands for in UTGST? United Territory, Unique Territory, Union Territory, Union's Territory. The right answer is Union Territory. What are the taxes levied on an intrastate supply? CGST plus IGST, SGST plus IGST, IGST plus UTGST, CGST plus SGST. The right answer is CGST plus SGST. Which GST is charged when movement of goods and services from one state to another?
SGST, CGST, IGST,
UTGST. The right answer is IGST. Which of the following GST will be levied on imports of goods and services?
CGST, SGST, IGST,
Exempt. The right answer is IGST. Which of the following tax rate is not applicable under the GST? 5%, 12%, 18%, 25%. The right answer is 25%. Which of the following includes in supply?
goods,
Goods and services.
services,
Goods or services. The right answer is goods and services. GST is a dash-based tax on consumption of goods and services. Duration, destination, dividend, development. The right answer is destination. The value of supply of goods and services shall be the dash. Transaction value, MRP value, market value, basic value. The right answer is transaction value. Who is the chairman of GST Council? RBI Governor, Prime Minister, Finance Minister, Finance Secretary. The right answer is Finance Minister. The headquarters of GST Council is located at dash. New Delhi, Ahmedabad, Mumbai.
Hyderabad,
The right answer is New Delhi. Which terminology is used in place of rule of goods and services or both? Demand,
supply, retail, consumption,
The right answer is supply. How many tax slabs are there for GST mainly for services?
2, 3, 4, 5.
The right answer is 4. The tax IGST is charged by dash government,
Central.
state, union territory, all of these. The right answer is central. GST is a dash tax on the supply of goods and services. Value added.
Single. Dual. Additional.
The right answer is single. What is lowest rate of tax prescribed under IGST? 5%, 0%, 0.25%, 3%. The right answer is 0.25%. GST laws, rules, procedure and GST rates are dash across the country.
Different. Similar. Nominal. Higher.
The right answer is similar. For which type of goods GST rates are 0.25% and 3%? Special goods, imports goods, common goods, exports goods. The right answer is special goods. GST includes dash of central and state government, indirect taxes, direct taxes, direct and indirect taxes, indirect and direct taxes. The right answer is indirect taxes. Which of the following was state government indirect tax prior to GST? Custom duty, excise duty, value added tax,
Service tax.
the right answer is value added tax. Which of the following was not central government indirect tax prior to GST? Custom duty, excise duty,
Service tax.
purchase tax. The right answer is purchase tax. Implementation of GST year is dash 2016, 2017, 2015, 2014. The right answer is 2017. Which of the following is correct for supply of within state or union territory? CGST plus SGST or UTGST? IGST plus SGST or UTGST? CGST plus IGST? IGST minus SGST or UTGST? The right answer is CGST plus SGST or UTGST. Which tax is applicable for supply of outside state or union territory?
CGST. IGST.
SGST, UTGST. The right answer is IGST. इसके साथ ही आज का हमारा GST चैप्टर 3 का MCQ सेशन यही समाप्त होता है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि इन सवालों से आपके सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर हो गए होंगे और परीक्षा के लिए आपका आत्मविश्वास बढ़ा होगा। अगर आपको ये वीडियो मददगार लगी हो तो न्यूटन एकेडमी को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें ताकि आगे आने वाले चैप्टर्स मिस ना हो। मेहनत करते रहिए, प्रैक्टिस जारी रखिए और मिलते हैं अगली क्लास में। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड ऑल द बेस्ट।